I need some inspiration. This is making me hungry. Oh, I know. I always come prepared. Are you kidding me? What? I need to eat? You always think with your stomach. Mom, do something. I'm sorry, honey. This won't take long. You can't rush perfection. I'm so bored. This isn't fair! Can you hurry up? Emma's upset. Give me that. Get your own rice. No! Look what you did. We'll talk about this later. There's rice everywhere. Hold on. This gives me an idea. I'll put some drops of food coloring into a glass of water. Then I'll give it a stir. Now I'll add rice. Next, I need this glue. I'll apply the glue to my drawing. I'll only put it on the grass area. Then I need my rice. I'll sprinkle the rice over the glue. I can use different colored rice for different parts of the drawing. Now I can blow off the excess rice. Wow! It looks good enough to eat. What do you think, Emma?
Huh? Wow! I love it, Mom! What about you, Dad?
Huh? Did you say something, Emma? Wait, what's going on? There's only one thing for it. The things I do for my family.
Dad looks silly!
I'm not finished yet. I need some paper. Check this out. It's a self-portrait.
It's great, but Mom wins this round.
Thanks, sweetie. You don't need to clean your room now.
Woo! This is fun! Ooh, what's this?
Just look at her. Emma, put that down!
Nah.
Stop it right now, young lady. Are you listening to me? Uh-oh. Her eye is doing that weird twitching thing. That's trouble. Take it easy. Try this. Give me that! I can feel the tension melting away. That's better. You just get me, dear. Wait, I think I can use this. I'll start by drawing a tree. You gotta love nature. This black pen is perfect for the branches and trunk. That looks good. Now I'll take a small square of bubble wrap and dip it in paint. I'll mix the pink and white. I'll dab it over the drawing. It gives the impression of leaves. It's a beautiful blossom tree. Do you like it, Emma? Oops. Silly me.
Wow, Mom! It's amazing!
Hey, maybe I can use this too. I know what to do. How do I look? No one say better looking. I'm a work of art. Are you for real?
It's great, Dad! The winner is… Mom!
Again? Wow, what an honor. Really? Let me pop that bubble. What's that smell? It stinks! It's getting stronger. Oh, I might have known. What's wrong? That's my natural odor. It smells great. I have just the thing. Use it. A lot. Fine. At least you won't smell. Thanks. Oh, it's like the night we met. My personal hygiene was bad that night too. It was so romantic. Give me a kiss. Like I would ever say no.
Yuck! That's so gross!
Huh? Oh, hi, honey. Sorry. Now what am I gonna do? Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Listen to this, dear.
What are they doing?
Got it. Let's get to work. First, I'll take the deodorant apart. Just like this. Now I'll fill the container with paint. Then put the roller back on. When I press it on the paper, paint comes out. It's just like a paintbrush. And it's great for creating art. Look at that! It deserves to be in a frame. Look at this. It's wonderful. It's a joint effort. Whoa! We can hang it in the living room. It can replace the photo of Grandma. Behave!
It's a tie!
Well deserved! That deserves a quick kiss.
I'm so sleepy.
Emma! Yoo-hoo!
Classic, Mom. I'm just gonna close my eyes.
Look! I can touch my nose with my tongue! See? What a talent! Can you do this? I've got my eye on you! Oh my! Pink suits you! I feel so alive. I could get used to this.
Great, Dad. Keep the noise down. I'm gonna catch up on my beauty sleep.
I thought that would work. We tried our best. Oh, how about some shadow puppets?
Shadow puppets?
Pretty impressive, huh?
Why didn't you start with this? It's so entertaining!
Breaking out the old shadow puppets, eh? It doesn't look that hard. Oh, I have an idea. I'll place my hand on the paper, then draw around it. Now I just need to add the finer details, like some eyes. It's a dragon! But he isn't finished yet. He needs some color. Can't forget about the flame. Check this out.
Wow!
I thought you'd like it. I'm gonna try some balloon art. It's a dog! Hey, stay back, boy! Run away!
What a show! You both win!
Look! Oh, amazing!
I want my hair to look pretty. I know. Catch!
What are we supposed to do with these? I know. I could use these pencils. And one of these hairbands. I think this might work. I'll wrap the hairband around 2 pencils. I need to make sure they are secure. I'll attach a second pencil at the other end. That's just what I want. I'll put one pencil over this cupcake drawing, and then trace around it. The second pencil will make a copy. Look at that! Now I just need to color it in. I'll make sure I stay in the lines. This is going to look great! There! I'm finished! Do you like it? That one's mine! Let me have a look at that. Wow, that's pretty clever. I wonder what I can do. I'll join the pencils together and use them as a catapult. Take that! Careful! Stop it! Ouch! Ow! I feel dizzy. You sort of deserve that.
Nice shot, Dad! There's one clear winner!
That's so nice, honey. Where am I? Oh, you're such a joker.
Ooh, these crayons are nice. Here, Mommy!
Good throw. I got it! This is too easy. Aw, I might have gotten a little excited. They're all broken. Good luck with that. It's alright. I've got this glue. I'm great at DIY. They'll be as good as new. Let's try it out. Oh, pretend that didn't happen. Don't worry. I have a backup plan. I can use this. You're kidding, right?
That's not gonna work, Dad!
At least I'm trying. There's only one thing for it. Honey, put the hammer down! I know what I'm doing. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. I'll scatter the chalk over this butterfly template. Then place a plastic sheet over the top. Now to work out my tension. This is my kind of art. We need to talk later. I'll focus on my art. It's not too bad. I'm finished too. I'll remove the template. It looks good. Do you like it? Or do you like my watermelon?
Ooh, this is tough. It's a tie!
I'll take it. Well done! Aw, this picture sure is cheery. Good enough to be framed. And why stop there? Just need some inspo.
Right. You said what? Oh, Susan, you're bad.
Ugh, I don't know. Excuse me? My paper!
Oh, my bad. Oops.
Look what you've done! It's ruined!
Hey! Can I show you something? Ever hear of a happy accident? This is one of them. Whoa.
Me?
Yeah! You can do different sizes too!
Amazing! Let's do it! How many do you think can fit on here?
As many as you want!
Things are getting crazy!
You can use pretty much anything, as long as it's circular, of course.
You think we've done enough yet? It sure looks cool, doesn't it? Up high!
My little artist.
Okay, this spot looks substantial.
Yeah?
The trees, nature, what have you.
The heat is on!
You bet!
I don't know. What? Hey, stop looking at mine!
Whatever. Fine. I'll be over here then.
What can I paint? Bingo! He's adorable! I hope David didn't see him. I saw it first.
Uh-huh. May the best bird painter win. A few skillful circles can go a long way. Just have to know where to add the lines. Nice, right? But some color will really make it pop. Yellow is such a happy color, isn't it? It's perfect for such a cheerful guy. And how about some green? Such a peaceful hue. And add some blue for a real treat for the eyes. Doing the edges first is always best. It really rounds things out, doesn't it? Almost done. Just a couple of finishing touches. And that's how it's done, folks. A true masterpiece. Don't you agree? Yep, I'm pretty pleased. What is that?
I just needed an extra hand. Turns out, a hand is all you really need. Well, that and a few strategically placed dots and lines. Can you see the bird face yet? Don't worry, it'll all come together soon. These branches ought to give it away. And here are its cute little feet. A little greenery? I think it's quite peaceful. Can you see the bird now? I'm just so creative, aren't I? Well, if you really want to see it. Not too shabby.
Oh.
I guess they're both pretty great. Should we ask the teacher? Seriously? I hope he's okay.
Seems like he's just fast asleep.
Hey!
Ooh. All done, huh? Oh, great job. Now just give me 5 more minutes.
Alrighty then. I need something that'll turn some heads. And I know just the thing. Complimentary hues for the win. But it's still missing something. But what?
Ugh, this ball is so dinky. Whoa! That thing's blowing my mind! Mom!
Oh, not now.
Okay. You still have a lot of paint left. Which leaves room for me to play. Thank you!
I just don't know what to do. Okay, I'll try a little. Hey! Where did my paint palette go? David? Is that you? Excuse me?
Look! I did this! I call it pond water.
Uh-huh. Oh, I know. You want to face paint? Give it a try, David.
Whoa!
Woohoo! Again! Fun, right? You can say that again! Yeah? What if I use my finger, too? Incoming! Ha! Blue dot's coming in, people! But now for my favorite color. Woohoo! That's it! Look, Mom!
Wow, isn't this incredible? But let's try one more trick. Symmetry can sure be beautiful. And to prove that to be true, you created it all on your own. It's a gorgeous butterfly. This line will really make it come to life, along with the outline of the wings. Other side. There. Just admire this pure beauty. And that's just the beginning, son.